Welcome back, design enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of architectural design with a captivating showcase of Revit house design and Lumion rendering. If you're ready to be inspired and learn more about the power of these tools, you're in the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Civilmix. Let's begin our journey by stepping outside and admiring the majestic exterior. The photorealistic visuals created with Lumion capture every intricate detail, from the textured brickwork to the lush landscaping. Notice how the natural light bathes the facade, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Now, let's step inside and experience the tranquil beauty of the interior. Lumion's rendering prowess shines once again, showcasing the meticulously designed spaces. Immerse yourself in the warmth of the lighting, appreciate the textured finishes, and envision yourself relaxing in this serene haven. Here's a glimpse into what Lumion enabled us to achieve. Rendered the intricate details of the interior design, from furniture and decor to lighting fixtures. Simulated the interplay of light and shadow within the space, creating a natural and inviting atmosphere. Captured the essence of the materials and textures, adding depth and realism to the rendered visuals. Want to delve deeper into the world of Revit and Lumion? Consider joining the Civilmix Patreon community. Gain access to a treasure trove of exclusive resources, including downloadable Revit models and Lumion files to accelerate your own projects and learn from real-world examples. Over 10 GB plus of valuable Revit models and families at your fingertips, expanding your design library and fostering creativity. We hope this glimpse into our design process has sparked your imagination. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below sharing your thoughts, and subscribe to Civilmix for more inspiring content. Remember to check the description for links to join our Patreon community, explore our services, and access additional resources. Thank you for joining us on this visual journey. Until next time, stay creative and keep pushing the boundaries of design.